Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to share with you guys how to produce a brown canoe soap with cold process or semi-hot process. Now with this method we are not going to cook the soap. We won't be cooking the soap. We'll make it using the cold process, implying that we won't cook the soap. This is called cold process making or the semi-hot process making. Now why it is called semi-hot process? Because our oil is going to be very hot and our caustic soda is going to be very hot. So both the oil and the caustic soda will be hot while making this soap. So I have mixed my both oils together, my palm oil and my palm kernel oil. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to heat it. I'm going to put it on fire and make sure the oil is very hot. After the oil is very hot, I will now dissolve my caustic soda and I won't allow it to cool down. Once this soda has been properly dissolved, while it is still hot, I will pour it into my hot oil. So both my oil and my caustic soda will be hot. So I will allow the heat in both contents to do the cooking of the soap. I won't cook the soap on fire, but the heat from the oil and the heat from the caustic soda will do the cooking of the soap and turn our soap into a brown soap. So it's as easy as that. So this is actually called the cold process method or the semi-hot process method, implying that the soap won't be cooked during production. So don't forget, we run online classes. You just check the description of this video for the link. You click on the link, it will take you to WhatsApp where you can join my online classes on soap making, detergent production, the liquid soap making, the body cream production, the perfume production. There's a lot of things you will learn there. Even the transparent soap making is taught there also. Then also my ebook, like I've been saying in my previous videos, is out. You will learn how to make soap with the ebook. You will learn how to make a lot of things, the body cream, the detergent. There's a lot of things you will learn there. The liquid soap, the shampoo, hair conditioner, bleach, Dettol, Isa. There's a lot of things you will learn from the ebook. And also the ebook is actually very educative and very content rich in terms that if you are looking for how to register with NAFDAC and you don't know the procedures are in the ebook. If you don't know where NAFDAC office is located in your area, the addresses for different states in Nigeria is in the ebook. And if you don't know where to buy chemical, I have different addresses for different states in Nigeria in the ebook. The ebook is actually very affordable. You check the description of this video on how to purchase, or you reach me on WhatsApp with the number displayed on the screen so that you can get the ebook or purchase the ebook. So just watch this video, follow all the procedure that I will use. It's actually very easy. To learn more about the brown canoe soap production, you join my online class. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on TikTok. My TikTok name is called The Famous Guy. I have a Facebook page. It's called Famous Skincare. Then I am on Instagram. My Instagram name is called The Famous Guy. Then I am on Twitter. My Twitter name is called Fame Ebong. So just follow me on social media. So this is my oil. I've heated it up. It's very hot now. I've heated it on fire. My oil is very hot and my caustic soda is still very hot. So I'm going to pour the two hot contents into each other and stir. That is what I'm going to be doing. Then also starting from September, every month and I'll be doing giveaway on my Facebook page and on my TikTok handle. Every month and starting from September month ending, October month ending, like that. Every month and starting from September, I'll be doing giveaways of recharge card and money. For those of you that are following me on social media, you benefit a lot. So just do well by following me on my social media handles. for you to be part of our giveaways every month, and starting from September, which is next month.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world.
So after mixing, I'm going to cover this with a waterproof because I don't want my ethanol to evaporate. I'll cover this and leave it there for 4 minutes. Let the heat do its job. Now while you cover it, it might start gelling up. It's not in all cases it gels up, but in my case, because my oil was very hot and my soda was very hot, so it now gelled up. You can see how it looks like it has gelled up, but it's not in every case that it gels up. In most cases it gels up, but if it doesn't gel up in your own and it's still looking watery, just pour it into the mold. It's going to solidify after 24 hours. So most times it won't gel up like this, but most times it will gel up. So if it gels up, you don't have any problem. Pour it into your soap mold. If it doesn't gel up and look like this, but it's still looking watery, still pour it into your soap mold. After 24 hours, your soap is going to solidify. It's actually a simple chemistry. So I'll keep on making more of these videos for you to understand how to produce this without cooking it, but using the cold process or the semi-hot process method. So you can see how the soap looks like after 24 hours. It has now solidified. So we have achieved our brown soap, or should we call it a brown canoe soap. We have not cooked this soap. We just allow the heat from the oil and the caustic soda to do the job. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check the description of this video for the link where you can join our online class on soap making, or you use the number displayed on the screen to reach me on WhatsApp to be added to the WhatsApp class on soap making and other skincare production. Then don't forget to follow me on social media, and also ebook is available too, so reach me on WhatsApp or check the link anyhow you want to reach me to purchase your ebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time on our next video. So I have an ebook that I'm preparing. It's actually for those that want to go into organic soap making. So I will launch the ebook very soon. For those that want to go into organic soap production, I'm preparing an ebook. Then also I'm also preparing another ebook for those that want to go into perfume production. So 2 ebooks are on the way. Once they are ready, I'm going to launch them. So just anticipate for the ebook. Organic soap making ebook and perfume production ebook are on the way. Goodbye and see you next time on our next video.